we're going to document our process sa paggawa ng CCS. This is Nika. Say hi, Nika.
I'm the translator channel. Ang chismis. Mahal daw nila.
Sammy! Sammy! Yan ang boy. Ha?
Ay! Hindi ka na eh. Ano mas malaki? Wow! Sa akin kita.
Hirap naman mag-document. Nakakainis. Document. Ticket.
Nahilo na siya. Gusto namin sumuka.
Sana doon tayo nagbaba. Uy, walang pedestrian! Bakit kayo tatawid?
Tatawid namin.
Kami naman. So live here and ano to, Quiapo, Manila. We are here today because ano ba to?
Intra na to.
Intramuros pala. At malalaman, hahanapin namin ang buto ni Sandy Bolivar.
Uy! Hindi ba? Ang ganda! Wow! Diba? Ang ganda! Oh my gosh, guys! Take a look! Oh my gosh, I feel so mature! We're complete, people! We're complete! You say hi to the vlog! Say hi to the vlog! Ay, monster!
Baby, I'm a monster!
Hi kayo sa document natin. Hoy! Mag-hi kayo sa document natin. Nika, what's your ulam? My ulam is longganisa and egg. What's yours?
I have egg sandwich.
Anong ulam mo, Andrew? Pastil? Ano yan?
Pastel. It's
Color pastel.
What's yours, Sharaline?
Shanghai.
What's your What's your ulam? Sa'yo, Ian.
Eagle Express Veggie Omelette ng Valencia.
Dami naman! Gusto ng chika ni Andrew. Ano ba yung chika ko sa'yo?
Hindi ako nagpapapala.
Where's Sharaline?
Go! Rolling! 1, 2, 3, go!
Party group of Paglaong Production.
Sikulo tayo, walang yaka.
Sekulo!
Sikulo. And we're here at ano?
We are here at, ano ba to?
Luneta Foreign. Currently time.
Current time guys, 6:04. Hindi namin alam kung paano umuwi. But
Oo, magkakaiba po kami ng ano?
I'm from California.
California.
Yeah, I'm from California.
You, where are you from?
I'm from my mother.
You, Nika, where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Yes! Where are you from, Yorn?
Island.
Wow! Ito, yung nonchalant natin.
From Kabaong. Pupunta kaming United Nations, guys. Tara. We're going to United Nations. Ay, saan ba? Akala namin sa United Nations.
Best balance.
Yeah, balance. Nakasakay na kami. Mawag. Best balance. So anong nangyari?
Magpas tayo sa Robinson's Planeta.
Everything happens for a reason.
No, not everything happens for a reason. Everything happens because of your actions. Document.
So guys, live here in Manila City.
We're not live. We're not live.
So we're dead.
We're dead. Yeah, we're dead.
Guys, hindi mo pinidyo yung ano, yung tubig na may, yung nesty na may ano.
Bakit kayo, baby? Di natin lahat kailangan i-ano.
Para makita din ni Sir Mike yung pinagdaanan natin.
Eh! Hi mga guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Rizal Park. Wow! You can see Rizal over there. It's not incubation! We're with Sharon, Samantha, Ian, Andrew, and Anthea. With Jose Protasio. Tingin kayo. Going 17, charging na sa'yo madu. Uy! I like this. The view. Everything is perfect. Watch us with the mango. We have a lot of mango here.
Pwede din ako mag-impromptu, diba? Kunyari, wala naman.
No, hindi ka mag-impromptu kasi... Kasi ano titigilan ko Andrew. Gagawin mo tayo. Oh, ba't ka alis? Basta titigilan ko. We're communication student. Of course, nababaliw na kami.
Hindi ka nasunod.
I'm so tired.
Ito pa, usap I'm so tired too. Doon ka lang. Doon ka lang. Marami pa tayo.
We have to finish it today. Yarabo.
Ano ba pa? Mag-double.
I'll be Samantha. I'll be Kate for a bit of time. But this is the real me. And then
Tingin ka sa kanya.
it's Carl.
Sino?
Look at my pretty face. Look how beautiful.
Ito.
Sobrang ganda. Hindi lang ganda namin. Hindi ako.
Ano naman? Sige. Bye.
Bye. Ang plastic. Uy! Wait ako. Bye-bye. Oo naman.
Sige.
Hanggang balikat mo siya. Okay, 1, 2, hanggang leeg.
Rolling.
1, 2.
Hi guys, my name is Hebati. I'm with
In short, badong.
I'm with Badong.
Tingnan. Ito wala na akong sorry.
We're back on students. Siyempre mauubos yung take namin sa
Inside the
kakatawa.
microphone. Oh my.
Yes.
Corny. Ay.
Parang corn.
Time check, it's already 6:45 and we're still here. We're still shooting. This, I think, last scene na to. Practicing their lines. Huh?
Can't make your life. I can't believe that. Naniniwala ka pa rin sa Fairden.
Tuk.
Galing guys. Current time, 8:20 p.m. Sa Manila pa kami. Hi! Carry pa.
Yun tayo magbabahan. Hindi na natin kaya lahat.
Papatila pa kami ng ulan kasi umulan.
Paano ba yun?
Uwi na kami, guys! We're done!